What's wrong, Papa?
You want some more? You want more? Some of those lips, buddy. You want some more?
I can taste it already.
Oh, no. You gonna sink into it? There you go. You want some ginger ale this time? You want to taste a little bit more of this stuff?
Well, Puppy, you don't like it? Aiden, you don't like it, boo?
You don't want any more? Or you want more? Wow, you...
Why do you drink it if you make that face, silly?
You offer, I'll drink it.
What's with those lips?
Just give me more, nobody get hurt.
Well, there you go.
One more time.
What's wrong, Auntie Jean? What is wrong? Why are you laughing so hard?
You gonna do one more again?
What's wrong, Auntie? Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
You gonna do the lips again, Aiden? Tell him FUBU. Say FUBU.
Look what he's doing. He's reaching for your food.
Say FUBU. Get out, friend.
Lambio.
Very, very pretty.
Whoa, buddy, don't take the whole tray.
Look like a crazy old man. Well, you do anyway with your hair.
Is that my phone?
I don't think so.
Aiden. You want more? Aiden, more? More?
He's like, yeah, more. Yeah, more. Just give me more. Alright, I hit myself in the face. More.
Just one more time.
Gotta tease him with it.
Daddy's so mean.
There goes the lips.
See, you say more, mommy. I say, more.
More? Oh, he's so mean.
It's like, this is some. I didn't say it.
Okay, say bye, Aiden. Mommy's hungry. She's got to finish eating.
Bye-bye, Chubby.
Bye. Say bye.
Went for the roof.